Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by closing Visual Studio Code and any running terminals. Make sure unsaved work is saved. Once closed, export or copy your settings and list installed extensions so you can restore later. Now open Windows Settings or Control Panel and go to Apps because we will remove the main application first. This step removes program files, but not user data, so you back up first. Proceed to click Uninstall when Visual Studio Code appears, and follow the built-in uninstaller prompts until it completes. Once the uninstaller finishes, you must remove leftover user files and extension folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to %user-profile %\. vscode and %appdata %\code and delete them because extensions and cached data live there. Make sure to empty Recycle bin to free space. Next, check Program Files and Program Files, x86, for any Visual Studio Code folders and remove them. If you know how, open regedit and search for Code or Visual Studio Code. You finish by checking your path environment variable and removing any trailing entries pointing to code, because leftover path entries cause command line errors. Once done, restart the computer to clear locked files and complete system cleanup. If you plan to reinstall, run the installer as administrator. This avoids permission problems. If you hit errors, like installer refusing to run, use the Microsoft Install and Uninstall troubleshooter or delete stubborn files in safe mode. That one tip often fixes stuck uninstall or reinstall issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.